Hi, welcome to the next chapter of the e-course. This is about solving the great food puzzle. My name is Corné van Dooren. I'm a nutritionist from background and I'm working for WWF Netherlands as senior advisor on sustainable diets. And I'm also connected to Wageningen University. WWF has presented recently our latest Living Planet report. This report is about food systems. A System in Peril is the title. And we see in the report that global food systems are the major driver of biodiversity loss. It also has a huge impact on freshwater, greenhouse gas emissions, and deforestation. How can we change that? We are working on sustainable solutions, not only achieving traditional conservation, but also addressing the drivers of nature loss, including food production, consumption, and waste. We present to you three tools that we have developed to use around the world to change the food system. The first is about diets, plant-based diets we call that. It's a science-based platform to encourage diets that are good for people and for the planet. You can see here retailer solutions, background information, and an impact calculator for diets. I will give you an example how you can use this. This is the diet of Colombia. You can create your own diet or use a typical Colombian diet. And you see here the consumption of the food groups in portions per week, and you can change it by hand. And then you see the calculation of the impact on biodiversity loss, greenhouse gas emissions, land use, and water use. So if you change these portions, for example, if you reduce the consumption of red meat to 0.5 portions, then you see a decrease of the impact beneath the planetary boundaries for all those impacts. So you can do this for all countries in the world and for all types of diets. And then you can develop a policy based on that. It also includes advices on individual level, how to choose sustainable foods, eat more plants and less animals, eat healthy and minimize processed food, and ensure balance and variety, including some videos and background information. The second tool is also on a global scale, solving the great food puzzle, place-based solutions to help scale national action. For this report, we have done research on different types of food systems around the world. And we have developed six types of food systems. You see, in South America, you have green food systems. In Africa, yellow ones, and Northern Europe, purple ones. For example, the purple ones are countries with lower concentration of biodiversity hotspots, with industrialized agriculture, enough land and water resources, and the food security is high. We have identified 20 transformation levers on governance level, on education level, on natural resources management, on technology, on trade, and on finance. If you dive into these levers, you see that there are several pathways for transformation as suggested by the experts. The first one is optimization. It's about technical innovation to have higher yields and with less impact. The second is about nature positive production methods. applied in agriculture and food production. The third one is on supporting smallholders by government on several levels. The fourth one is on enabling conditions both in finance, taxes and in trade. Alongside with this, we have developed several country deep dives. For example, for the Netherlands, a type 5 country, for the Philippines, a type 2 country, and for Pakistan, a type 3 country. And with this, we have also developed several case studies and videos to demonstrate the impact. For example, we've done a case study in the Netherlands for stronger commitments towards more plant-based protein in their diets, giving examples on production and consumption. The third tool we have developed is Food Forward NDCs. It's a guidance to enhance nationally determined contribution, ambitions and implementation to implement the Paris Agreement. We've done that with several other stakeholders. In this tool, you find guidance for 5 intervention areas for agriculture and the food sector. The areas are food environment, food governance, food production, food supply chains and food consumption. And you can go through several steps, intervention, policy options and guidance. So to summarize this, we have developed for you 3 tools as WWF. The first one is on consumption, plant-based diets. The second one is on food systems, the Great Food Puzzle. The third one is on policies, Food Forward, NDCs. So thank you for your attention.